A is for Ark, big old boat with animals tight. They sail together day and night.
B is for boat, it floats on rivers, small and neat. Let's row the boat with happy feet.
C is for canoe, paddle slow or paddle fast. Down the stream we're sailing past.
D is for dinghy, tiny boat that bobs and rocks. Hold on tight, no silly shocks. E is for
Electric ferry, quiet zoom across the bay. No smoke here, it's clean all day.
F is for ferry, cars and people hop inside. Across the river we take a ride. G is for gondola in Venice streets, it gently glides. The gondolier sings as he rides.
H is for hovercraft that floats on water, land and sand. A flying boat, now that's so grand!
I is for inflatable boat.
Blow it up and splash around. It bounces gently, safe and sound. J is
For jet ski, vroom vroom zoom across the lake. Splashes high with every wake.
K is for kayak, one small seat and paddle in hand. Glide on water, isn't it grand?
L is for lifeboat, when a ship is in some trouble.
Lifeboat comes on the double.
M is for motorboat with an engine that goes brr, brr, brr. It zips through waves like a blur.
N is for navy ship, big and strong with flags that fly. Guards the sea and passes by.
O is for oarboat, grab the oars and row with might. Splashy fun from left to right.
P is for paddle boat, use your feet to spin the wheel. Round the pond, it's such a thrill.
Q is for Queen's Barge, shiny royal, slow and grand, like a castle on the waterland. R is for raft, wooden logs all tied up tight.
Float downstream in morning light.
S is for submarine, it dives below where fishies play. Under the sea, it hides all day.
T is for tugboat, tiny but strong, it pulls with might, helping big ships day and night.
U is for underwater drone, it swims below to look around, takes photos where fish are found.
V is for vessel, a fancy word for boat so wide, cruising slow with graceful pride.
W is for water taxi, zooms through rivers, neat and quick. Hop right in, just take your pick.
XP is dish and ship, it sails to icebergs and cold land, exploring places wild and grand.
Y is for yacht, a party boat with decks so tall. Let's sail around and have a ball.
Z is for zodiacs, rubber boats on ocean rides.